Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today, I got a special request Bluetooth speaker battle. We got the JBL Flip 5 versus the Tribit StormBox Pro. Now, both of these you could get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price for the JBL Flip 5, $100. The price for the Tribit StormBox Pro, $120. Now, if you haven't seen my full review for the JBL Flip 5, I'll leave a link for that up in the description. But basically, it's a $100 speaker. It sounds great. It's IPX7, water resistant, and you got 12 hours worth of battery life. Now, for the StormBox Pro, $120. Let's go through the features real quick. It's IP67, water resistant, Bluetooth 5.0, stereo party, which means you can pair two of these together wirelessly, superior sound, 3 drivers with 2 passive radiators, long battery life, 24 hours. Okay, and Qualcomm aptX technology. Now, on paper, the StormBox Pro seems like a better buy. You're getting twice the battery life, and you also have a built-in power bank. But how does this sound? Let's put it to the test. First things first, ladies and gentlemen, White Shoes is back in the building.
White shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love my
calm down. All right, here we go. Tribit StormBox Pro, $100. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Okay, here we go. Rah. Did I miss completely? Oh, no, I got it. All right, here we go. All right, so inside, got your usual books, shit, plug them and follow them. Let's see, this is going to be USB-A to USB Type-C charging. All right, so that's a good thing, USB Type-C charging. Shoes, inspect that for quality. And this is going to be your speaker. Okay, here we go. Now, for size comparison, the Tribit is a little bit wider, okay? Basically the same height, but with the Tribit, you do have a carrying handle. And like I said, on the back, let's go ahead and pop this open. Grab a little knife for this one. Here we go. Hold on a second, y'all. Shoes almost made me cut myself. Rah. Okay. On the back, you got a little flap which holds a USB-A in. So like I said, it has a built-in power bank, and you got your USB Type-C charging slot. Now, also on the Tribit, you have extra bass. Now with the JBL Flip 5, you can pair a bunch of these together. Bluetooth 5.0. You got USB Type-C charging, but no built-in power bank. So again, on paper, the Tribit definitely looks like a better buy. You got a built-in power bank, twice the battery life, and the extra bass button. All right, so let me go ahead and pair these up real quick. Let's see, anything else we need to talk about with this? On the bottom, little rubber stopper, that's gonna keep it in place. Nice rubber carrying handle, Tribit branding, little textured feel, cloth fabric all the way around. Again, IP67, dust and water resistant, versus IPX7, water resistant. Okay, so this one is more dust proof. All right, so let me grab a phone, we'll pair these up, and we'll start our usual testing. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now I got both speakers paired up to an iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I'm gonna use the same song at the same volume from the same music streaming service. All right, so let's start off with the JBL Flip 5. $100, put your headphones on, here we go. All right, here's the Tribit StormBox Pro. right, now, sitting right in front of both of these speakers, the Tribit definitely sounds a little bit louder and a little bit clearer. But it seems like the JBL has a little bit more bass. So let's try that again. Here's the JBL Flip 5. Okay, now, the JBL definitely sounds better when it's facing directly at you like this. Let's go back to the Tribit. Now, I will say this. The Tribit sounds exactly the same from any direction. But here's the thing. The Tribit does have the extra bass button. Let's go ahead and press that. Let's start them over again. All right, so here's the JBL Flip 5 from the beginning. Here's the StormBox Pro with extra bass. Okay, now, I know this video is not going to do it justice because just like any other Bluetooth speaker, you got to hear it in person. But honestly, for my money, I would go with the Tribit. Now, they sound pretty much similar, but the Tribit is a little bit louder, a little bit clearer with the highs and the mids, but the JBL does have a cleaner bass line. Let's try another different song. All right, here's the JBL Flip 5. Now here's the Tribit. See, this is exactly why I like to test different songs, because now the Tribit sounds way better than the JBL. Let's do it one more time. Here's the JBL Flip 5. Here's the Tribit. See, now that extra bass button makes a difference, because now this has more bass than the JBL. Now, the JBL arguably sounds a little bit cleaner with the bass, but we're talking about bang for your buck. All right. Now, if it was me and my money, I'm going with bang for my buck. The Tribit is a better speaker. And let me tell you why. Watch this. All right. So not only is the Tribit a little bit louder, you got the extra bass button for more bass. Plus, you got a built-in power bank. So I just plugged in a USB Type-C cable. Let's grab a phone. Plug it in. Bang. You can also charge up your device. Now, there's one more feature that makes this way better than the JBL Charge 5. Watch this. All right, so I'm going to call up Amaya from the Tribit.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you doing?
Nothing much, just chilling. Just
All right.
taking that thing on my car.
All right, take a picture of it. I want to see what it looks like.
All right, I'm gonna send it.
You get accepted to one college. Now you put stickers all over the car, bro. I need you to bring it in a little bit. All right, I need you to reel it in a little.
Okay.
All right, okay, one quick question.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now? I'm using a speakerphone. Can you hear me good?
Yeah, I hear you. I'm speaking right now myself.
Oh, you on speakerphone too?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, good. Well, I'm saying, what phone you on? You on using the headphones or using the speakerphone?
I'm just using the speakerphone.
Okay, but you hear me good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Yo, you're gonna like this speaker. I'm gonna bless you with this to take away to college.
Okay.
Since you get accepted to one college.
You don't need the picture sending too.
All right. So I'm gonna call you back in a minute.
All right, bye.
Bye. This is definitely a better buy than the JBL Flip 5. $120. You got the extra bass button. You can pair these up wirelessly. You got a built-in power bank. As you can see, my phone is still charging. And you got a speakerphone. All of that for $120 on a scale of 1 to 10. The Tribit StormBox Pro is a major go. And on the side note, if you haven't seen my video for the Tribit StormBox Micro, this is the speaker that I take with me anywhere that I travel. All right. If y'all want, matter of fact, I'll do a little sound test with this speaker because y'all need to hear this. And let me show you. Maya just sent me the picture. Maya's going away to college. She got a big college picture on the back of the car. I ain't mad at that. All right, let me pair up the micro so y'all can hear how this sounds too. This speaker is $50. This is a great deal right here. Check this out. All right, so real quick, here's how the StormBox Micro sounds. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. All right. If you get 2 StormBox Micros, these are $50 a piece. You pair them up to your laptop, you will get kicked out of a hotel room. Like I said, speaking from experience, I got kicked out of a hotel room for rocking music from 2 StormBox Micros. All right, $50 a piece. So if you never heard of Tribit, they make excellent quality speakers and cheap Bluetooth earbuds. So let's wrap this up. JBL Flip 5 is definitely worth $100. It's a great little speaker. But add that extra 20 bucks, get the extra bass button, get your built-in power bank, and get your built-in speakerphone. Not to mention carrying handle on deck, and it's IP67 dust and water resistant versus IPX7 water resistant. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one, and let me know if y'all got any other speaker awards y'all want me to do. Just like I said, this is a special request video, but if y'all got other speakers y'all want me to check out and pair them side by side and do a little speaker war, I could do that too. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat face allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.